Hello, my name is Nicholas Snow with Reckless Car Audio, and today we're going to be going through the Sundown E-6.5 coaxial speaker. The nice thing about these coaxial speakers is they boast the 60 RMS, so you're definitely going to be able to push these if you pair them up with a nice Sundown amp, or if you run them off deck power, which most people will. We have kind of a demo coming later showing what you can do with these speakers on deck power. If we go to the back, obviously we can see nice Sundown logo, 60 RMS in the back. We can see that it has a nice black stamped steel basket with venting on the side, which is really nice to keep that speaker nice and cool. We also have in the middle the high frequency dome tweeter, so no matter what range you're playing, you're going to be able to hear nice good audio from it. Like I said in the demo that we have later, you can definitely see the flex of the speaker and the surround. They definitely can handle a lot of power. Sundowns are known for handling a lot of power, and these speakers are no exception. Like the name states, these are 6.5-inch speakers, so they're going to fit in most of your standard door panels, and you can check online to see what size speaker your vehicle takes. With that being said, we'll go ahead and jump into the demo of the unit and show you what it looks like when it's playing music on the speaker. That's the Sundown Audio E-6.5-inch coaxial speaker. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more videos and product reviews like this. I'm Nicholas Snow, and I'm out.